Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Stock Traders. And this video is a really important video for all of you new intraday traders out there. Because the most important thing in making profits in intraday is selecting the stocks. And that is what I will be teaching you guys today. So there are two key rules for stock selection. So the rule number one is pick out only 4 stocks. I've seen people with humongous watch list of 15 20 stock, and they watch every price action like a hawk and shift between the charts every 3 4 minutes. So what happens when you do this is you get really confused because a stock during the trading day from 9:15 to 3:30 does make some bullish movement or make some bearish movement, basically gives a breakout during the day at least once, right? There is very rare that the entire day goes absolutely sideways. So but you get confused if you're just shifting between 20 stocks or 10 stocks. Even 10 stocks is just too much. You will end up taking very low probable trades and you will always be so frustrated. I mean, trading like a robot is important, but you can't forget that you are not a robot. And taking this too literally is wrong. So you are a human, okay? You can't multitask so many things at once. So you've got to pick out 4 stocks in a day and just trade those 4 stocks only according to your setup. I mean, not trade all of those 4 stocks. The stocks which is giving you the setup, only trade them. So take 1 at max 2 trades and just look at those 4 stocks, no other stocks, and the index, of course, the Nifty index or whatever index you refer. So rule number 1, pick out only 4 stocks. So guys, rule number 2 is don't trade stocks in news. So what happens to the stocks which are in news, which are trending on Twitter, which are trending on, a lot of those social medias, is they become very volatile. So volatility is, an advantage. So you guys would say, everybody says this stock is going to go up and everybody is going to buy. So the stock is going to go up. But sometimes what happens is, against all odds, it goes down. And, all of these guys on social media are wrong. Okay, they all are proven wrong, and what happens? You end up losing money. So this is why you have to stay away from stocks in news, right? I'm pretty sure some of you guys would have invested in Freetail, and now we know where Freetail is. Freetail was trending all over the news. It was, it was having very bullish sentiments, and now where is Freetail? It is nowhere. It is just falling and falling. So this is why stay away from stocks in news, because the volatility increases, and more the volatility, more the risk. It may happen that it will fall down. All right, you bought the stock, okay? Everybody says it's a buy. It falls down, touches your stop loss, and goes up. And that can happen in any trade, but the volatility increases a lot. It is very big bullish trend and suddenly a very big sellout. So this is what happens to stocks which are in news. So stay away from these stocks, very important. So now I'll be showing you how you can, out of those hundreds of stocks, how you can, shortlist 4 stocks which you have to trade during the day. So let's get to that now. Okay guys, so now I'll show you how to select the 4 stocks for intraday. So I have here is Money Control, right? moneycontrol.com, under markets, under top gainers. So out of the 4 stocks, you need 2 stocks which are bullish, and you need 2 stocks which have shown a bearish trend throughout the day. So the top gainers, I have Nifty IT. So every single stock of Nifty IT was in green today, every single stock. And out of them, all right, I took a look at a couple of stocks. Even you guys should do this, open it up on the charts. And I have chosen Coforge. Why Coforge? Coforge is at very crucial levels, near an all-time high, and it is following this trend, taking a reversal from here once, twice, thrice. So you guys have to do this analysis and then put it in your watch list for tomorrow. Okay, and now in this video I will not be telling you how I'm going to take a trade using what and not. I'm not going to be telling you guys about the strategies, but I found Kaford is at very crucial levels, and this is a stock worth putting in my watch list for tomorrow. Okay, the second stock I have is Bajaj Finance. Sorry. So I went down all the way here and went to Bajaj Finance Services, right? And I saw that today the finance stocks were very high and very bullish today. So this was going to be a stock from this list was going to be my second bullish stock, right? This is a very quick analysis and will take you seconds to do. You can just open the app and see the top gainers and the top losers of today, and which sector has the highest top gainer or top losers. And out of that, you can shortlist the sectors, and out of that, you can shortlist the stocks, just like I showed you guys. The second stock I have in the bullish is Bajaj Finance. Okay, I took a look at a couple of the stocks. You don't have to take a look at all the stocks. Don't waste your time in all the stock. I took a look at Bajaj Finance. All right, I saw Bajaj Finance was also at quite important levels right here. Okay, it has approached this point right here, and the last time it was here, it took a reversal. So I saw, okay, this may be a good trade for tomorrow, worth putting in my portfolio. Done. Then now we have to choose the two bearish stocks, right? The stocks which have shown a bearish trend. So go under markets, go under top losers, and do your analysis yourself. So as of May 26th, the two bearish sectors were Nifty Metals and Nifty Energy. So out of Nifty Metals, I have taken JSW Steel, right? As I saw, it has majority of the Nifty Metal stocks were in a loss and were bearish. So that's why I shortlisted JSW Steel, as it is in a decline trend, and I could see it forming tomorrow. So I'll show you guys. It's taking a little time to load, but here we go. So here I have JSW Steel. Okay. Yesterday it was from the past couple of days it is showing a bearish trend. All right, I can see it here. It's following this trend line. So I'm not going to be showing you guys how to take this trade, and I could see that okay, this is at important levels, and this is a trade worth taking. It is at its support, and the stock is at good levels. Fine, let's add this in our portfolio. In our watch list for tomorrow for intraday. The second stock, Nifty Energy. All right, Nifty Energy was bearish. So one stock from one sector I took, and Nifty Energy right here. So majority of the stocks were again bearish today. And the stock which I have taken from this was Tata Powers, as you can see. Tata Power right here, right? It was forming a bearish pattern over here. Let me get rid of the VWAP. So as I can see here on the daily time frame, it is forming a bearish pattern, and this bearish trend may continue tomorrow. And the next support is here, this, that. So this is why I chose Tata Powers again as another stock to put in my watch list right here. Yeah, loaded. So it was in the top gainers, lost around 1.26% today, and I could see a pattern forming in this stock right here. So this is how and why I chose these four stocks. So I will repeat it again. So first, you have to choose 4 stocks, not more, and only look at those 4 stocks during the day. So those 4 stocks have to be from different sectors, or also could be from the same sector. It doesn't really matter. It's completely up to you, right? You have the freedom to choose that, and you should see go through the sectors, go through the various stocks, and you should see a pattern forming. Okay, it is near crucial levels. This stock is at crucial levels. Okay, this is a stock which is which will give me a high probable setup for tomorrow. So that is why I'll put this stock in my watch list for tomorrow, right? As you can see here, Coforge near all-time high, can be a very good intraday tomorrow. May take a reversal from this, or may open gap up and make a new high. All right. Bajaj Finance also at very crucial levels. So you have to go through these stocks. You have to go through these stocks, not all of them. I understand a lot of you guys don't have that kind of time to go through every single stock from every single sector. That's why first you have to shortlist the sectors, all right, under bearish and bullish. Okay, and then you have to see which sector was the most bearish and which sector was the most bullish, and accordingly you have to select the stocks from it. Hey guys, so that was it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.